a DIY electroscope using the following materials that can be found in your house. We have here a cable wire, and what we really need here is the copper wire. So this is the copper wire, and then we have our cutter, our aluminum foil, our scissor, and then our plier. And last but not the least, our jar and our jar lid. So first thing that we need to do is to get the copper wire. We need to use our cutter. We need to remove the rubber to get our copper wires using our cutter. Our copper wire right here. We just need to set aside that one first, and today we are going to cut our aluminum foil with our scissors, and then we are going to make tear shape using this scissor. So we just need to fold that one so we could cut two pieces of it. Then we are going to put a hole at the top of our aluminum foil. So we just need to fold that one. And then cut. We've already cut at the top of our aluminum foil. So we just need to set aside that one first. On our jar lid, here's our jar lid. You can make a hole in the center of our jar lid by using a scissor. We've already made a hole at the center. Now we are going to put the lid right there and then get our copper wire. Now here, our copper wire, we just need to put that one on our jar lid. But before that, first we are going to make this one into spiral. After we've made it into spiral, we are going to make a hook at the bottom. So you're just going to fold it so it would look like that. Okay, now we're going to put it on our lid. Put it on our lid. Then put our aluminum foil. I rub it on my hair and place the ruler into the copper wire. Now the reason right here is when you rub the ruler on your hair, electrons were transferred into the ruler, down to the copper wire and to the aluminum foil. So if we have a negative charge on the ruler, down to the copper wire and into the aluminum foil, negative charges repel negative charges. So the aluminum foil repel each other. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching!